For under 25 bucks, you can completely change the vibe of your space without even using paint or power tools. All you need is peel and stick wallpaper, or a piece of fabric you love, some adhesive spray or double-sided tape, and a utility knife. That's it. This project is 100% renter-friendly and removable, so you can change your style anytime. First, take off your doorknob so you can get a clean wrap around the hole. Then wipe down the door. No dust, no grease. The smoother it is, the better it will stick. Start at the top and work your way down. I like to peel just a little bit of the backing at a time. That way you can reposition it easily if it goes crooked. If you're using fabric, just spray your adhesive in small sections and press it down as you go. Use a wallpaper smoothing tool or even a credit card to push out any air bubble. Don't rush this part. The cleaner the surface, the more it'll look like a real custom door. Once you reach the bottom, use a straight edge and sharp knife to trim the edges. Go slow. Clean edges make all the difference. You can also add a bit of molding or peel and stick trim around the sides if you want that framed look. And that's it. The plainest door in your house can easily become a statement wall in about an hour and cost less than dinner for two. If you rent or just like to switch things up, this project's perfect. You can peel it right off when you're done, and your door will look like new again. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.